बेसिकली देखना चाहेंगे तो आई एम सपोर्टिंग बीजेपी ओनली।
ये हमारा भाई है, स्टार्ट कर।
बोलिए बोलिए।
बस आना मोदी जी चाहिए, उन्होंने कितना किया सबने देख लिया।
Can we know who are you supporting this election?
This election, it is a very tough question. Even I am confused about this.
Narendra Modi 400 times.
I will go for BJP.
Elections in India are always a big affair, be it national or a state. Around 12 lakh young voters are poised to influence the Lok Sabha election of Maharashtra. These young voters are the ones who are going to shape the country in the coming future. But what do the young voters of Maharashtra want? What are they looking forward to? Who are they supporting? Where are they getting their political updates? And what are their updates? The Free Press Journal is set to find out that. Karan, since the election has started today, the polling has started today, I wanted to know what are the youth of Maharashtra looking forward from this election?
Well, I think the government should motivate students in digitalization of economy while studying, transferring our physical education to online education.
Basically what youth is looking at, something, a nice leader. Basically your youth is looking at a nice leader to follow rather than taking a charge and going up.
I am looking forward in many departments, many things. The government should work on it. Actually, I am also socially active in these kinds of things.
I'm not into politics very much, that is for sure. But I'm looking forward to see more economical changes, to be honest, about the reservation things. So that is, I think, that is unfair personally, because everybody should deserve the right to study, to get a seat in their favorite college or dream college, as we say. So yeah.
And who are you supporting?
Well, I am trying to support BJP as they are very good in international trade.
बेसिकली देखना चाहेंगे तो आई एम सपोर्टिंग बीजेपी ओनली, जस्ट बिकॉज जो काम हो रहा है, जिस तरीके का यूथ को गाइडेंस मिल रहा है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट। अदरवाइज़ ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं। और अगर आप एक पार्टी को ही सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, कोई दूसरी पार्टी तो है नहीं, आपके सामने कोई अच्छा ऑपोजिशन होगा तो एक टफ फाइट का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगी। अदरवाइज एक टफ फाइट की अपॉर्चुनिटी है नहीं, वन साइड, एक वन वे ट्रैफिक है बेसिक।
I have really liked the stance of India in like many wars like Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine. So I think the foreign policy is really good and like we are looking forward for the elections.
ये हमारा भाई है, स्टार्ट कर।
बोलिए बोलिए।
बस आना मोदी जी चाहिए, उन्होंने कितना किया सबने देख लिया।
Can we know who are you supporting this election?
This election, it is a very tough question. Even I am confused about this. Even Congress has, there are two parties in Maharashtra, Congress and BJP, and they have a Mahayuti in it. So at this time, I will support BJP.
I'm supporting like more of BJP because BJP is helping us more and more into educational sector. They are growing more and more institutions in the country. He's empowering the youth, and everyone is so happy with this work. He's like promoting our religion also. Everything. He's very good leader. Narendra Modi 400 times.
The government we have is pretty good.
I will go for BJP
And why would you go for?
because till now it has done a lot of development and like as compared to any other party, BJP has done a lot of development in our India. So
We
I will
got
go
to see the BJP government flourish way more in these past 5 years. So I think BJP.
I would not say the name of the the political party that I want to support, but I just want to say that I'm happy with what we had. So I would like if the tenure of whatever person continues.
So are you looking forward for more youth representation in the Lok Sabha?
यूथ की ज़रूरत है ऑब्वियसली, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होता है हर चीज़ को लेके। यंग जनरेशन अलग है, ओल्ड जनरेशन अलग है।
Youth, as in, if there is youth, they should be knowledgeable. They can't be like just be there. Youth can be there, but they have to have the right perspective, right everything, so that it works better for the government like that.
And tell me, where do you get your political updates from? What are the channels that you use to get the updates?
I like to keep myself updated through social media, and there are many channels or through Instagram like we can get updated. So like what are the things happening in our country, what are the foreign relations and everything going on.
For seeking the news updates, I usually follow YouTube more because we are Gen Z, so we like YouTube, and a lot more on Instagram.
Youth mostly get their political updates from from the news channels, from the blogs. Socially active, the students right now are socially active. and they get all the updates from social media.
Frankly speaking, social media helps a lot.
Instagram, Facebook, we read all kind of news with our parents on the TV.
Mostly go to Instagram or X, or Twitter.
YouTube.
Twitter.
In terms of political updates, which are the platforms that you go for getting news updates?
Newspapers. And Papa sees Aaj Tak, so I just sit behind and view with him, nothing else.